Welcome everyone. In this video we will talk about 8-month sleep regression. The 8-month sleep regression is a common phase that many babies go through, characterized by disruptions in their sleep patterns and increased difficulty falling and staying asleep. This regression typically occurs around the 8-month mark as babies undergo significant developmental changes that can impact their sleep. One of the main causes of the 8-month sleep regression is the rapid physical and cognitive development that babies experience at this age. As babies become more mobile, with skills like crawling, pulling up, and even early attempts at walking, they are often eager to practice these new abilities, even during the night. This increased activity and exploration can lead to more frequent night wakings and a harder time settling down to sleep. Additionally, the 8-month sleep regression is often linked to the emergence of separation anxiety. At this age, babies are becoming more aware of their surroundings and their attachment to their caregivers, which can make it more difficult for them to fall asleep and stay asleep without their parents or caregivers present. The signs of the 8-month sleep regression can include increased night wakings, difficulty falling asleep, shorter naps, and more frequent night feedings. Babies may also become more fussy and irritable during the day, as they are not getting the quality sleep they need. To help manage the 8-month sleep regression, it is important to establish and maintain a consistent bedtime routine, provide a soothing and comfortable sleep environment, and offer reassurance and comfort during night wakings. Parents may also consider implementing sleep training techniques, such as gradual weaning from night feedings or gentle sleep coaching methods, to help their baby learn to self-soothe and sleep through the night. It is important to note that the 8-month sleep regression is a temporary phase, and most babies will eventually return to their previous sleep patterns. With patience, consistency, and the right strategies, parents can help their little ones navigate this challenging period and emerge with healthier sleep habits. In conclusion, the 8-month sleep regression is a common and understandable phase in a baby's development, and with the right approach, parents can help their little ones get the quality sleep they need to thrive. Finally, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel to receive everything new. See you in the next videos.